Welcome. If you're looking to turn off experience chat on Roblox, you're in the right place. Whether you want a quieter gaming experience, more privacy, or just a break from chatting, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable experience chat on Roblox quickly and easily. First, grab your device and open the Roblox app. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to open up the menu. Next, from the menu options, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust different aspects of your Roblox account. Now look for the option that says Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on it. This section is where you can manage who can interact with you and how you communicate with others on Roblox. Within the privacy settings, you'll see a tab labeled Communication. Tap on Communication to proceed. This is where you'll find all the controls for chatting and messaging on Roblox. Scroll down until you spot the Experience Chat option. Tap on Experience Chat to open its settings. Here, you'll see different choices for who can chat with you during Roblox experiences. Under the Experience Chat section, you'll notice several options. To turn off Experience Chat completely, select No One. This ensures that nobody can send you chat messages during Roblox experiences, giving you a more focused and private gameplay environment. And that's it. You've successfully turned off experience chat on Roblox. If you ever want to enable it again or adjust who can chat with you, just follow these steps and choose the option that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Enjoy your game time with the settings that suit you best.